I have the hiccups.
Thank you, Captain Motherfucking Obvious.
I don't appreciate language.
So you don't appreciate my what?
I don't appreciate your language.
Oh.
Hi. Change the song. It's depressing.
I'm texting Joel. You're gonna have to wait. Where's the back? Oh, there it is.
Oh, I look orange.
I thought you said I look like the Grinch.
I'm not great.
Don't worry, I'll figure it out. Don't worry. Don't worry, I got this. Don't worry. Yeah, okay, I don't know where to go.
Just gonna videotape myself hiccuping.
I don't know. I don't know. Is it music player?
Let me see. Just go on the very top and slide it down. Hang down. Change the song.
Oh! Just kidding. Oh, what the?
It's like the dying pig.
Next. No. West.
I sound like a dying pig.
I just sneezed.
I've said this like 10 times. Dude, I wonder how whales sound like. Oh wait, no, it's a seal. That's in feet. I'm at a 1.5 on a skinny top. I'm the female wheezy. This shit is easy. Run up in the moon. Bitch getting squeaky. Hear my flow sick, yeah, my flow queasy. Haha, they was sleeping on me. Z. This pussy's clacky, that pussy old, that pussy creaky. On the contract, nigga, coming naked. Hi, how are you? Yes, it's nice to meet me. Yeah, Billboard. Oh.
You have Wanted on here by Hunter Hayes?
Yeah.
I love that song.
I'm the legend of my life. These thoughts are dragon. See these little two thoughts. I'm starting to feel like a Dungeon Dragon.
Rah, rah.
That one was like a burp. Plasma. Hey, nigga, asthma.
I got bars.
I'm a bad bitch. I'm a cop. And I'll kick that hoe.
Here, let's rap our song, okay? See if you can do it.